Hello, all you Facebookers. I have had a couple of requests from people to play some songs and tell you guys how they're played. One of the songs that I love a whole lot is Make a Joyful Noise by David Crowder. It has this really nice jazzy intro, and a lot of people don't know how to play it. I honestly don't either. I just kind of picked it up by ear. So for those of you who have asked, here's how I play it. In the background, the bass or the second guitar is playing a B minor, A, G, and so basically their riff is just. Now the bass also has a line, and you can figure that out too by ear if you want. I can show you, but anyways, the guitar part that I heard anyways starts up here on the 7th fret, which is a B, and then you walk up the neck 7th fret on the A string to 7 and 9 on A, and then just drop your third finger down, hit the let's see, that'd be G and the D string. So and that's your second or third set of notes, those two together, and then on the 7th fret as well. Okay, so all together, right? That's the first little riff. The second part is you have to go to a D, which is 5th fret A string, and then back up and do the same progression. Right? So put it all together, here's what it sounds like. Right? So that is the progression for Make a Joyful Noise at the beginning. Where he breaks into it, Flowers of the Field is a C, I add the 9th, and then you walk down on the top to an E minor, back up to C, into D, keep doing that progression while he's doing the yeah. And when you're done with that progression, you go to an A and hold it. And then after the A, which usually I go 8 beats if you're in a metronome mode, but then you have to go back up to the B. So that's kind of the ending to the Flowers of the Field part. At the end, where he does We Will Not Be Silent, you're going from a G, walking down to an E minor. I will not be silent. I will not. Then up to a C. I will not be silent. I will not be quiet anymore. And that's pretty much your chords for the entire way through the rest of the song. So that is how you play I Will Not Be Silent. Hopefully that helps.